Daily life habits. Wake up early to start your day with energy and focus. Make your bed every morning to start the day feeling organized. Brush your teeth twice a day to maintain oral hygiene. Drink a glass of water first thing in the morning. Go for a walk in the morning or evening to stay active. Take a shower every day to stay clean and fresh. Wash your hands before eating to keep germs away. Eat a healthy breakfast to fuel your body for the day. Avoid eating junk food and choose home-cooked meals. Sit with proper posture to avoid back problems. Keep your surroundings clean and tidy. Plan your day using a to-do list or planner. Check the description below for the to-do list planner link. You can add, edit, check off, and delete tasks as needed. Take regular breaks during work or study to avoid burnout. Limit your screen time to reduce eye strain. Read for at least 15 minutes a day to improve your knowledge. Meditate for 10 minutes to calm your mind. Avoid procrastination by tackling tasks right away. Recycle and reuse to help protect the environment. Exercise for at least 30 minutes every day. Practice deep breathing exercises to relax. Save this video and watch it whenever you need a reminder to build healthy habits. Consistency is the key to a better lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning, and leave a comment on what you'd like to learn next.